Mortgages. So the chat now is about mortgages and where you should go to get your mortgage. First thing is, I know that an awful lot of buyers will, first of all, go on an online algorithm and they'll key in on, I don't know, where I can buy a mortgage.com, put in how much they spend versus how much they earn, get a little chitty out and think, this is how much I can go shopping with. No, it doesn't work like that anymore. So, first thing to do is to speak to your lenders and they will run a proper financial check. They take so much more into account now than they ever have before. They will check out to see what your regular spending pattern is. I know it's unfair because your spending pattern may change when you buy a house, but this is how it is. And if you're relying on that chitty, you may be going down a rabbit hole. So go directly to your lenders and find out how much you can truly borrow based on the criteria of today. Now, again, I would recommend going to an independent financial broker. So if you go down the high street and you decide, actually, I love NatWest. NatWest have been my banks for years, or HSBC or Barclays or whoever it may be. I'm going there for my mortgage because they'll give me the best rate possible. It's not always true, actually. And you may find rate number or product number 123A and go, oh, it's perfect for me and my family, based on a certain, lending criteria. But if you go to your broker, the broker may have access to that particular product at a lower interest rate. I know that sounds nuts, but it's actually true. So a number of the high street lenders will offer those products to a broker to pass over to you because they take over a lot of the admin work, which releases the bank from doing it. So they offer preferential rates to brokers for the products which are on the high street. I know it's nuts, isn't it? So anyway, there we go. I would always recommend going and speaking to an independent mortgage broker because they are experts in their field. They will have access to 90 or 100 lenders and 120, 130 different products. And they may well come up with ideas you didn't even think about. They may also come up with product number 123A, which you found for yourself at a better rate, or even the same rate. But you may decide, actually, I'd rather do it through a broker because it takes a lot of the stress away. So go and talk to a mortgage broker. That's what they do all day, every day. They are experts in their field. Hope that helps.